Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft bookings for AI lead routing, full guide step by step clearly. To authorize Microsoft bookings for AI lead routing, start by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Navigate to the Microsoft Bookings app from your dashboard. Once inside, locate the Booking Page option in the left-hand menu. Click on Booking Page to access the settings. Scroll down until you find the Lead Routing section. Here, look for the option that allows you to connect AI lead routing. Select the option to enable AI lead routing. You may be required to authenticate with your Microsoft account credentials. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this authentication. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to the Bookings app. Next, navigate to the Services tab in the left menu. Choose the service you want to configure for AI routing. Review the available settings for the selected service. Ensure that the Enable AI Routing option is checked. Customize the routing rules according to your business needs. Save your changes to apply the new configurations. Next, test the configuration by creating a dummy lead. Submit a test booking request through your booking page. Monitor the lead routing to ensure it's functioning as expected. Check your notifications section for any updates on the test lead. If everything looks good, you're now set up for AI lead routing. Continue to monitor performance and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.